What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. We actually gonna be having a little bit of fun today, man. Today all I want to do is drive my car. I just want to have fun in the vehicle today. It's been a long day, man. One of my co-workers passed from cancer. R.I.P. to Cheryl Montgomery, man. It's been a real crazy day. She lost her battle with cancer, so we just out here cruising. We gonna have a little fun in the Challenger, and this video has been requested over and over and over again. A lot of you guys said that y'all wanted to see more POV videos, so yeah, let's go ahead and drive this thing, man. I'm trying to get around all these cars. Everybody want to kind of lag right now. I don't know what's up, but we about to go ahead and punch this boy. Let's get it. That's the fastest I ever drove my car, man. Woo-hoo! Woo! Hey, when the RT get up, it get up. And I hope I got that time on the GoPro. I hope I got my, excuse me, y'all, my heart pumping real quick. That's the fastest I ever went in my car. So I'm hoping that the GoPro picked that up. I think we hit what, like a buck, almost a $1.20. Shout out to this desolate road back here, man. It's a safe location back here, so it's never any traffic, so I can come back here and kind of let loose a little bit. But yeah, let's go ahead and punch this thing, man. I want to show y'all how this RT roll. Woo. Slow down a little bit. Got some folks. Woo. Alright, I'm gonna slow down, y'all. That boy moving. That boy moving. You know what? And hopefully it's not too much wind noise on this GoPro. We out here just cruising. We gonna take it over here on this other little road, man. I'm about to bust the Burnout, man. We about to have some fun in this joint, man. Slow it down, y'all. Now we coming back on the actual residential area, but we out here having fun, man, in the RT. It's a beautiful day. It's like 57 degrees outside, so the Challenger is actually, it feels a lot more torquey. That's all I'm gonna say. It feels a lot more torquey today, like it got a little bit of extra in it. So let's do this. I'm about to pull up. I'm gonna pull on the street right here real quick. Just messing around on the 0 to 60. I'm actually coming down hill a little bit. on this road. Let's see. I'll try to get us a good burnout somewhere. Fives all day, but I guarantee you it's because of this road that I'm on. I'm gonna give it one more shot on this 0 to 60 right now. Give it one more shot, y'all. .3, there we go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. So I'm starting to learn it's all about how you launch this thing, man. I'm starting to learn that you cannot just throttle into it. You want to kind of ease on the pedal a little bit. And look, I swear to God, look, I'm gonna show y'all something. I bust a 5.3. I'm gonna show y'all everything that I got in my trunk right now. I just went shopping. I hit a 5.3, as y'all can see. But I'm gonna show y'all what circumstances we under. Pop my trunk real quick. Still got these. Still got the 245s. And look what's in my trunk. I got all this water in my trunk right now. I just went shopping, man. So yeah. We hit the 5.3. So I know once I put the 275s on this joint and I clear my trunk out, I should be able to hit 5.1 or 4.9 easy. Day out here. It's nice and chilly. The sun is not beaming like that. Beautiful view of the strip. Sometimes you gotta push the pedal to the metal. Sometimes you gotta push the pedal to the metal. Like I said, man, we just having fun out here on this beautiful Tuesday. When you have a car like this, sometimes you gotta just drive, man. This is therapy. There's nothing like hearing this V8. There's nothing like hearing this Hemi engine. Las Vegas, baby.